Hello, young explorers! Embark on an exciting journey with legendary quest of African animals and savanna animals, coastal habitats, where kids will discover the incredible lives of animals from the African savanna and coastal regions. Explore how these amazing creatures survive and thrive in their unique environments. One of the African savanna meet legendary animals like lions, elephants, and giraffes. Lions rule the savanna with their loud roars. Let's jump in. The enduring legacy of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments, from mountains to deserts. The gestation period journey across the Camel Chronicles. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat, which can be converted into energy and water when needed. Understanding social dynamics in chicken flocks. Chickens were domesticated from the wild red jungle fowl in Southeast Asia around 8,000 years ago. Chickens have better color vision than humans. Meet your next animal, the bull. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. They may engage in activities like pawing the ground, snorting, or bellowing as signs of aggression. A bull is an adult male cattle. Unlocking the beauty of the cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters, as these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey. Unveiling the gorilla guardians. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. Each species is further divided into two subspecies. The eastern gorilla has the mountain gorilla and the eastern lowland gorilla. Extraordinary story of sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. One of the primary reasons humans domesticated sheep was for their wool. Different breeds of sheep unmasking the majestic stripes of tiger. Tigers are considered as solitary animals, unlike the sights of multiple tigers kept in one cage in the zoo. You are less likely to spot the same age group of tigers roaming together in the wild. Primordial predator, the mighty crocodile. Crocodiles have several adaptations that make them successful predators, including keen senses of sight, smell, and hearing. They have specialized glands in their tongues that excrete excess salt, allowing them to live in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Striped elegans, the zebra symphony. The great zebra now live in Ethiopia and northern Kenya. There are three main types of zebra, but the great zebra has declined in numbers at around 54% since the 1980s, where the population was estimated at 5,800. The polar bear's Arctic habitat. Polar bears live in the Arctic region, primarily on sea ice. They are found in countries that ring the Arctic Circle: Canada, Russia, the United States, and Norway. Polar bears are carnivorous and primarily hunt seals. Let's move on. Discovering cows. Cows are social animals and form strong bonds with other cows. They can even have a best friend in the herd. A cow can drink up to 50 gallons, about 190 liters of water in a single day. That's like a bathtub full of water. Each cow has its own unique moo. Get ready for elephant adventure. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory. Adult elephants can weigh anywhere from 4,500 to 11,000 kilograms. Both male and female African elephants typically have tusks, while only some male Asian elephants have them. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex emotions. Unleashing the furry friend dog. Dogs are known for their loyalty and affection. The hormone oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, increases in both humans and dogs when they interact positively. Some dog breeds are known for their intelligence, such as the Border Collie, Poodle, and German Shepherd. These breeds are used in roles requiring problem-solving skills. Dogs have been companions to humans for thousands of years. We appreciate you watching Legendary Quest of African Animals and Savanna Animals Coastal Habitats Adventure. Subscribe now for this legendary quest of African animals. Get ready for more messy adventures. Goodbye, brave explorers!